The second suspect questioned about Yetanya Francis' murder has been released without charge.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The police have released the second person who was taken into custody for questioning in relation to the recent rape and murder of 14-year-old Yetanya Francis of Arnett Gardens in South St. Andrew. The man was picked up during an operation in the community 4 days after the burnt remains of the teenager was found in the 12th Street section of Arnett Gardens. He was, however, released recently as authorities did not find enough evidence to lay charges against him. Police sources said the release of the suspect did not mean that detectives' trail on the case that has triggered shock and anger across the nation has gone cold. A senior officer from the Denham Town Police Station said this was not the case, as detectives are now awaiting the results of forensic tests that were carried out at the crime scene and on the body of the deceased child. Based on what we are hearing, these findings could be sent to us very soon, said the senior officer. The policeman explained that the findings would place the investigators in a much better position to track down the perpetrators of the crime. In another development related to the case, the police said that the man who was attacked and shot by men in Arnett Gardens after he was accused of having information about the murder remains hospitalized. The police said that the man was taken into custody but was later released after they found no evidence on which to hold him in connection with the murder of the teenager.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.